OLCO Kids.
Vroom, vroom! Hello, friends! Let's count the colorful vehicles. First, find the red vehicles. Ready? 3, 2, 1, let's go! One red car. Beep, beep, beep. Two red buses. Drive, drive, drive. Three red trucks. Vroom, vroom, vroom. Four red trains. Chug, chug, chug. Five red bikes. Ring, ring, ring. Red vehicles, here we go. Roll, roll, nice and slow. Red vehicles, beep, beep, beep. Count with me, 1, 2, 5. Red vehicles, here we go. Clap your hands and sing along. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hooray! High five! Awesome counting. Now let's find the blue vehicles. Ready? Let's count again. 6 blue planes. Fly, fly, fly. 7 blue boats. Sail, sail, sail. 8 blue helicopters. Spin, spin, spin. 9 blue tractors. Rumble, rumble, rumble. 10 blue rockets. Zoom, zoom, zoom. Blue vehicles, here we go. Roll, roll, nice and slow. Blue vehicles, zoom, zoom, zoom. Count with me, 6 to 10. Blue vehicles, here we go. Clap your hands and sing along. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Hooray! Again! Wow, great counting. Let's count one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Red vehicles, what a ride! 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Blue vehicles, count again. Cars and buses, trucks and trains, bikes and planes, boats again. Helicopters, tractors too. Rockets zoom for me and you. Thanks for singing. Thanks for counting. See you next time. Bye-bye.